tutorial. Today we're going to create the Michael Jackson TicToc effect using After Effects. Start by dragging your clips into a new comp. Select your clips and pre-compose them. Name and move all attributes. Now find the clips, the sections that you need. Once you find the areas that you want to use, you could go ahead and select them and split the layer, then move the layer up front and repeat those steps for the second clip. Turn down the opacity to align the clips. Now right click Effect, Time, and click on Time Reverse Layer. Repeat that on the other layer, and now you just match those up. Select your layer and split layer. Search for the effects panel and click and select Keylight. Drag it over to your clip. Select the eyedropper tool and then select the green screen and then adjust the screen gain until you see all the black removed. Open the screen matte. Adjust the shrink and grow to adjust any of the edges if they're still bleeding through. Now select your mask tool and then mask yourself out. Copy Keylight settings and then paste them on the other clips. Add a solid to a background to make sure the green screen settings look good. Then you can make any adjustments to the edges if you need to. Now create another mask on the other layer. Now make your adjustments to make sure that you're inside the mask and it's not cutting any parts of your body off. And just make some more adjustments until it's perfect. Find where the two layers match up and then split the layer. Uncheck the bottom layer. Now duplicate your split layer. Right click, click on time and freeze frame, and then extend the clip for the duration of your time frame. Now I could go to my main comp and I should have the animation all set. Now it's time to green screen the hat. Pre-compose it and then name it. Add a freeze frame and mask it out. On your main comp, turn both layers into a 3D layer. Drag the background footage in the timeline and make adjustments. Now we'll add the CC repeat tile so we can expand our background photo. Adjust the animation to fit the scene. Alright, now we could add some keyframes to create our zoom effect. I'll add a keyframe to the beginning. And then I'll drag the cursor down to the end and I will adjust the position so that it zooms in until I find the right spot. Now we could go ahead and animate the hat so that it matches the original hat in motion. And we'll add a keyframe as you adjust the Z position. Now we're going to animate that hat so it matches the original hat motion. We're going to add some keyframes as you adjust the Z position. Add an adjustment layer and slide it over to the part that will turn black and white. Now let's go ahead and add a Lumetri color and turn the saturation down to get the black and white effect. And that's pretty much it. That's how we created our Michael Jackson effect using After Effects.